All right, Josh, what are we making today?
We're making edible cookie dough.
First, you want to start by measuring out the flour and sifting it. That way it's easier to use. And then microwave it for 25 to 30 seconds. Next, you want to add brown sugar, white sugar, and butter to the bowl and a little bit of salt. Don't add it directly, otherwise you'll add too much. Also add the artificial vanilla. Next, mix it around. I use a fork. You could use a small whisk, but I don't recommend using a mixer. It's not big enough to really use that. Next, you want to add the flour. Don't add too much at a time. Go about half and then half again. As you can see, it took me a little while to mix it up with a fork, so I would probably recommend using a little bit more of a whisk. Once it's a nice firm pack, then you can just put it into a bowl, add some chocolate chips, and there you go.
All right, we got some edible cookie dough right here. Cheers.
Cheers.
That's my favorite recipe.
Oh yeah, it's good.
We'll have the full recipe on our website at theparentingplate.com. If you like this video, then make sure you
Like, comment, and subscribe.
and we'll see you next time.